Today, I want to show you how to create these incredible 2D anime football characters using 100% free AI tool. By the end of this video, you will know how to turn these real football players into anime characters, create a cinematic story, and animate the entire scene with AI. Now, there are two ways we can simply do this, and there are many free AI tools that we can use to create these characters. Just come over to Google and search for Flow AI. What we are looking for is Google Lab with this logo. Just click on Google Flow and you can use these characters we're going to create to tell your 2D football stories. Now, you're not just limited to football or soccer, but you can also do this with basketball, baseball, or any of your favorite sports and sports characters. Now here what we're going to do is to click on new project. Like I mentioned earlier, there are two methods we can simply use to create our football characters. The first method is by describing the type of a character we want to create using a very basic prompt. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Here in the prompt box, just type in something as basic as this. Create an anime character image of Ronaldo wearing a Portugal home jersey. The reason why we're using Google Flow is it's less censored compared to these other free models, which will give you a very tough time if you're trying to create images of very high profile characters. When you observe carefully, our prompt starts with an art style we are looking for, a character which we believe the AI understands, and exactly what the character is wearing. You can use this basic prompt or you can be as detailed as possible about your prompt. It can include the location of your character and how exactly your character is positioned, but we'll just leave it like that. From there, we need to select a model that we're going to use to create this best character. From here, click on this button and select your preferred dimension for this image, the number of images, and a model that you're going to use to create your character. Now, Imagine 4 has been removed from Flow AI, which gives us high detailed best characters that we can use to create various images of that character. Because of that, we will stick to Nano Banana Pro, which will cost us 0 credits. Once it's done, we just hit generate. And as simple as that, we're going to have our 2D anime character of Ronaldo. This is the first image that has just been generated, and this is the second image that has been generated. Now we can take our prompt further by describing exactly how we want our character to be positioned and where we want our characters to be as we are generating that video. I've just added something basic that here is standing straight, facing the camera, full body view. Hit generate. Okay, and there we have our character Ronaldo, except we can't see a number, which is something that AI might do at times, but there is a way we can get around this. And this is the second one with a number on our character's jersey, and he looks like Ronaldo. Depending with how many characters are in our story, let's assume we've got 2 more characters, Messi and Lamine Yamal in our story. We can simply give it that basic prompt which says create a 2D anime character image of Messi wearing his number 10 home Argentinian jersey, standing straight while stepping on the ball. We hit generate. And just like that, our character Lionel Messi will be created. If we pay close attention, he looks exactly like Lionel Messi, though we cannot see some tattoo on one of his hands, which is something that we can work around. I will show you exactly how to do that. And this is our second image. This is absolutely amazing. And the best part is we are doing this completely for free without spending any cents. And that's the first method that we can use to create our football player characters completely for free. Now, the second method is kind of my favorite method because it maintains even the smallest details about our characters. All we have to do is come over to Google and search for a specific player who is in the story that we want to tell. For example, it's Mbappe. Just click on one of his image and save it into your PC. Once the image is downloaded, uploaded into Flow AI. Once the image is uploaded, just drag it into the prompt box and give it this basic prompt which says transform the scene in the first image into a high quality sports anime style. Hit generate. Okay, and there we'll have our character Mbappe exactly like we described in our prompt. I highly recommend you use a full body view of the character that you are referencing to, just like I did with the image of Lionel Messi, and the character has maintained the prints on his right hand side. This makes it so much easier for us to create our characters for the stories that we want to start telling. This is the same process I used to create all these different characters that you're seeing on the screen right now. Now, one more thing I will highly recommend is creating a character sheet. This helps lock the consistency of our characters throughout when it's time for animation. As you can see, these are very clear details about our front character, but the AI will not fully understand what is behind our character. For this, we need to create a character sheet completely for free. All we have to do is drag the character that we just created into the prompt box and give it this basic prompt. It simply says create a professional character sheet of. Now here where it says of, just click on add, highlight everything and click on add and select your character. Of this character, show the character of this character and leave every tiny detail as is and hit generate. And just like that, we'll have a character sheet which shows how our character looks from every angle. This makes it so easy for us to lock our consistency. Even during animation, the AI will fully understand how our character looks from every angle. And you can do the same thing for all the characters in your story. Now, before animating, this is the easiest way you can start creating your scenes for your story. Depending with your story and what actually unfolds in that particular scene, all you can do is just drag the first character in your story and the second character, if any, from there. Let's say Messi and Ronaldo accidentally swap football boots before a match and struggle to play, laughing at each other's mistakes, and hit generate. And there you have it. Just like that, you'll be able to create your character. Now, the second image that was created was kind of like realistic, in which that's not exactly what we wanted. We wanted an anime art style. We can create as many scenes as we want, depending with the story that we are telling. That's how easy it is to create your football player characters completely for free. Now, to start animating your characters and bringing them to life, you can simply use Google Flow itself. Just drag your scene image into the prompt box and click on this button to switch it from image to video. Select either you want to start with frames or ingredients. With frames, you can upload your first frame and your final frame. With ingredients, you can just upload your single frame. Select your dimensions or an aspect ratio for the video you're creating. Select how many number of videos you want per generation and select a model you're going to use. You can choose between Omni, VO 3.1 Lite, Fast, VO 3.1 quality, but the more advanced the model is, the more credits it consumes. We'll leave it to VO 3 Lite, but if we select Omni Flash, we'll be able to select how long we want our video to be. The highest is 10 seconds. So just to save some credits, we'll go with VO3 Lite because I do not have enough credits. I've consumed most of my credits. Once inserted, paste in a prompt that describes exactly what you want to create and hit generate. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to learn where you can create football animated series, check out this next tutorial that walks you through exactly how to do it step by step. If you have a video suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, God bless you.